see, like, if when I have that leg, my first goal is keeping the chest. No, another thing, I don't try kick too much. Like I said, every time when I do this, it has so many more easy ways to start passing. You see, I'm already give to him start passing. So the guy in the ball, he cannot try to just that way. It's not the best way to do it. The idea, you want to keep close to you. No, you don't want to give space. So every time when he's moved back, I follow him. If I try following, I have more chance that way to do it. If I just start kicking him, I cannot follow him. I lose the time. Okay? So ideally here, I keep higher and I want to keep close to me. And that way. So this is why, because I come that way, now he can able to start change to here and grab, change to and put the shoulder inside here. The idea is put that way. You see? And the same thing now, if I'm here and I try just kick him, see what happened. I already give him to pass my guard. Okay? The idea is I don't want to just broke that grip. If I just broke that grip and do that way, he's already past my guard. So my goal is, keep here again. I want to keep that and keep that frame. My idea is keep the frame. It's not, if I want to push, it's use my hand, not my leg. No, look like it's more easy. Okay, the guy tried to do that specific technique. I try to do it and look, oh, the technique don't work. But it's not. It's more easy to pass. So this is why if the guy just kick you, you just give a little bit space, already pass. Okay? So the guy here in the bottom need to learn how to train. My goal is like, see, I kick that direction. If I will kick, I want to kick to that direction. It's not to that direction.
Keep it tighter.
Yeah. I know the tendency is you want to push for that direction. You see, normally the guy want to pressure you, your tendency to do this. And you open too much. Now you just defend it. And you get more tired. See, you're more open everything. Maybe if you're strong, you're able. Stop him and recover the guard. But it's not the more efficient way to do it. More thing I need to be here. Because here I still, see, I kick that side. I'm more, and that way to work. And not just try push the guy. You know? This need to be my last option, but it's never be the best one. Okay?
You want more points of framing instead of less points.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you went from 3 to 2.
Yeah, I want to be here. Yeah, and my frame is more strong when I'm so. This is why he's able to do this. Now, if I'm already to do this, he's not able to do that technique and say, oh, the technique doesn't work. No, now he can do the different technique. Like I'm more forward. See, now he can already change for that one. Now I'm more weak, my leg. Yeah. So this is why I want to become more here. You see? Now it's more difficult for his pass the first one because correct, but he starts stop, trap my leg. Okay? So let's go again.